Hello, good morning, traders and investors. Welcome back to our morning trading recommendations channel. Before we dive in, remember that everything we discuss is purely for educational purpose. Make sure to do your own research or consult a financial expert before making any investment decision. Now let's starting off with the commodities market updates. In the overnight, the soybean oil December month dropped 0.12 to close lower at 42.01, and the daily and active farmer contracts dropped 90 points to close lower at 7958 on previous night session, which is on the last Friday evening. In Malaysia, the crude palm oil futures on last Fridays continue to rise to end higher on Friday, following the gains in soybean oil markets on seaboard. Palm oil traders noted that the stronger crude oil price also provided further strong positive sentiment to the markets. In FCPO markets, last Friday closing, the November contract was rose 37 points to close higher at 3977. The palm oil price in the bigger time frames remained trading at the upside after it breaking from the bottom, the sideways consolidation at the bottom, and it could remain in the positive momentums. While now we are moving to the smaller time frame, which is hourly charts. It seems that the latest price is resisted at the recent high, which is around 4,000, a crucial level, 4,000 to 4,010, around there, and it is likely to retrace further for today's sessions due to the profit taking. As in the daily time frames, it still remains supported in the upside. Hence, for today's session, the strategy will be sell as primary prints. The support range to see at 39. The first one will be 3955 to 60. If the price further down, we could see another support at around 3935 to 3940, which is also closer to the 50 moving average here. While the immediate resistance is seen at 3990 to 3995, which is also quite near to the 4,000. So the price will temporarily resisted at here, which we need to continue to monitor. If the price could break this range, it is likely to go back to the another resistance around 4015 and 4020 range here. Right. So for the sessions on this morning sessions, our call will be short positions maybe open below 3970 with the target at 3954 to 38 and a stop loss at 3990. Alternatively, long positions may be open above 3970 with the target at 3990 to 4009 and at a stop loss at 3950, and always play with a stop loss. In the case of any diverse directions, then we could protect our capitals. Okay, right. Next, we're shifting our focus to the index market. The overnight Dow Jones market rose 228 points to 41563, which is still above 41K, quite supported. The global share edged higher in volatile trading on Friday, marking the fourth consecutive month of gains, despite a bout of heavy selling in early August. The ad front was supported by the US economy data, which helped the dollar break a week-long losing streak. The FBM KLCI remained in positive territory on Friday, primarily driven by the significant gains in the utility heavyweight as the periods for corporate result nearer its conclusions. The FKLI September month rose 13.5 points to close higher at 1671.5. The index on the opening sessions failed on this opening, and we believe it is on the profit-taking mood as in a bigger time frame, the uptrends still remain intact, and we see the immediate support level at 1658 to 59, which is you also can see there is a price previously stop here, so we see this is the support level here. If this price could if this point could sustain firmly, because looking for the buying opportunity, if failed to support, it will likely trigger a selling pressures. Immediate resistance to see will be at 1672 to 71. If the nearest one, we will see at 1665 to 166 first. Then the second one will be 72. And however, if the 72, the sentiment is good, 72 could break, then it likely to going up to the to the high on last week. All right, so here's is our view and recommendations for the morning sessions. And as we wrap up this session analysis, keep in mind that the market is ever changing. Successful trading requires both seizing opportunity and managing risk, and just stay adaptable to market change, protect capital, and trade wisely. And also keep in mind that everyone's perspective is subjective, and the view we are presented here are for reference. Wishing you all safe and successful trading. See you in the next update, and happy trading.